what's going on, guys? It's JP here. It's been a while since I've made a video to this channel. Not too long, but you know, as far as being in front of the camera and showing off commission and stuff. So today, it's been a rough week again for my family. I just wanted to give my cousin a shout out. Her name is Tori. She lives in Oklahoma City in Oklahoma. She lost her fiance yesterday, and we just, you know, as a family, we've been dealing with that this week. So it's been rough on everyone, you know, trying to be there for her. It's heart-wrenching for her, and my family is traveling up north to be with her and with our family up there. I'm staying behind to finish up commissions and just try and make you guys, you know, I don't want to delay you guys any further, especially with, you know, the Matt Brown stuff and everything. So I'm just really trying to push out commissions on my end. I know you guys have been understanding, but I just wanted to update you guys on, you know, personal dealings with my life and stuff like that, and my family. But other than that, everything has been, you know, going great as planned. I have two sabers. Well, it's really one saber that I'm going to reveal today. This is Erik Rimblas, one of his other sabers that he did a commission with. And of course, we're outside right now because my room is just a mess. I'm packaging a lot of stuff that I'm trying to sell right now. So I have tons of cardboard boxes in there, packaging sabers, cosplay sets, armor sets that I'm selling. So that's why I got my tripod out here doing a video outside. So I get to show off my grass. We just got this grass put out, so it's nice to have grass. But yeah, I have one saber that I'm going to reveal, and Erik also purchased another saber from me that I had completed with some spare parts. It's a brand new hilt, and it's using, I'll just show it off to you, but it's a brand new hilt. So I'm going to get a saber now and then reveal it to you guys. So this is the saber that he commissioned. This is Dale Sniderhan from Shadowcrest design. This is one of his hilts. It's Kitsune, or Kitsune. I call it Kitsune, but it's Kitsune. He etched it so you guys can see the work right here, close up. It's a very nice, very beautiful hilt. Very slim as well. And I'm going to show you a close up of the chassis. The chassis was made by Steve at RJT Custom Sabers. I know it's almost like my name. I made a joke with him and call him my rival. So here's the chassis. So he painted it. This is his. So if you guys are interested in a chassis with him, go hit him up, and you can make an order for him. So there's his initials right there for that. So yeah, this has a Nano Biscotti version 4 with a power extender. You guys can see right there. Of course, I did the install. So you got your recharge port, and it has a 24mm bass speaker from Saber Essentials. So yeah, so it has the power extender. He wanted to go with a RGB, so it's royal blue, red, and green. So everything on this saber is default. Erik likes to change the fonts and the settings on his own, so nothing has been altered with or changed. So if you're wanting to change sensitivities on the swings or the clashes or the volume, I'm leaving it all to him. He told me not to mess around with it, so I'll leave him to do that. But I will turn it on just so you guys can see that it works and everything. So here we go. There's your boot up. It's very sensitive, and it's very loud. So there you go. Unfortunately, I don't have a blade that fits. All of my blades are heavy grade, and this one takes a standard blade or a mid-grade blade, and I don't have any of those currently, so I won't be able to shut off with a blade. Now for the next hilt. Alright guys, so with this one, it is a Saberforge Arbiter version 1. So Saberforge actually updated their model, and the difference between it was in the V2 Arbiter, it has a grenade grip section, and I was more of a fan of the V1, so I had kept one personally just for my own use. But this is a new hilt. I just installed this about 2-3 weeks ago, and I installed one of my micro tack switches with the metal plate cover, and basically these are just plate covers from Saberforge. I have tons of them from empty hilts when I remove them and stuff like that. So I just drilled a hole through them and purchased some switches, and I sell them as sets. So if you guys are having trouble installing them or whatever, I can put them on my Etsy store pre-assembled, but it will up the charge a little bit. These are available on my Etsy for $17.99. I will put a link in the description for these. And it's very nice. You can grip the saber and you won't press it at all. I mean, unless you're really trying to press the button, you're going to press it. But I mean, you can grip the saber basically anywhere and you're not going to press it. So that's why I like them.
Cyber assassin.
I have a couple of Shadowcrest fonts in here. This has a Nano V3. Also, let me show you guys the chassis, because this is I had to sand the pommel a bit so it sits flush because it was sticking out a little bit with the chassis. But this is our own Saberforge RGV chassis that we made. Not just Saberforge, but it'll fit any hilt that's 1.11 inner diameter. So that's our 3D printed chassis, which is available for $20. So if you guys are interested in that, I will be posting them on Etsy very soon. This is holding a Nano V3, and it has a 28mm stealth speaker by Saber Essentials, so it's very loud. And it is also sporting a Tri-Cree green white LED, so it's a very bright green. And I do have a blade that'll fit this one, so I can show it off the blade. Oh, and it also comes with this free blade plug that I included, along with some 2 carrying pouches that I'm giving to Eric for free, just for being a loyal customer. If you guys are, avid customers with me, eventually, or every now and then, I'll be giving you extra stuff, extra perks or discounts or whatever on orders or stuff like that. So keep coming back. It's very loud. Alright, I'm going to put a blade in real quick. Alright guys, so here it is with the blade. Of course it is somewhat sunny outside. It's cloudy, but hopefully you guys can still kind of see it. If not, you guys basically know what it looks like with the lights off. But yeah, it's a very nice hilt. I would personally use these for dueling when I add an extension, just a short extension to it, and this is my favorite dueling saber to use, especially because of this choke system, kind of like right in the middle. So it's I love it for doing spins. It's very easy to hold. Hands down, one of my favorite sabers to use. So Eric, these are both of your sabers I'm going to be shipping out to you, along with some other stuff that we talked about. He purchased some TSL gear from me, some old stuff that has been repainted and refreshed, so it's basically brand new. And I think that was it. But yeah, Eric, I'll see you sometime soon, and we'll get some commissions rolling out again, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace.